Hello, police. My owner is stealing my food.
What?
Sir, did you say your owner is stealing your food?
Affirmative. He removed the sunflower seeds. I need backup.
Wait, hold on. We'll send a unit to check things out.
Thank you, officer. Hello. I want to order pizza.
I'm sorry, who is this?
It's me. Large pepperoni, thin crust, extra olives.
Right, and you're a bird?
I'm a paying customer.
Okay, what's the address?
Am I handsome?
No. You look like a potato.
A potato?
Boo. Oh.
You can't just do that, man.
Doctor, I have a fever.
Right? Let's take care of that. Just a little pinch. Oh!
Hey! No. I was just joking.
What? You fainted on purpose?
Thought you could.
Unbelievable.
What?
He is lying. Yesterday he was with another girl.
What did it just say?
Babe, it's just a bird.
A bird that knows your secrets?
It's not what you think.
Are you single?
Oh my gosh, did you just... You're too much.
Hey, you made him bald.
What the?
Huh? Wait, hold on. Did you?
Relax, I was joking!
You gotta be kidding me.
Man, you scared the life out of me.
Are you single, officer?
Excuse me?
Are you single, officer?
You gotta be kidding me.
Hey, you made him bald.
What the?
Huh? Wait, am I bald?
Relax, I was joking. All right, back to it.
Read me tea. Now.
What?
I said,